You, yeah, you can do more and much more. You, yeah, you can do more and much more. You, yeah, you can do more and much more. You, yeah, you can do.
Greetings! This is Seth Sherwood, the Gutsy Guatemalan Gringo. And welcome to another powerful program of You, Yeah, You Can Do More, Much More, here on the Channel of Champions, KLTYK, Letty. Session 4, Je t'adore. Woo, woo, woo! Quick recap of your program of prosperity. In Session 1, we started with your vision. Session 2, we discussed how important it is to begin your day with the right attitude. Session 3 was about being enthusiastically interested in other people. The assignment was to meet 3 new people and develop the attitude of being happy and helpful. How was all this working for you? Super. We now continue building your firm foundation. You can do more, you will do more, you are doing more. Let's go to our next You Can Do Much More magnificent message. Ready? Drum roll, please. It's be grateful. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. This concept is not only very simple, it is extremely powerful. Being grateful about anything and everything attracts more good things into your life. That includes better health, better finances, better work, and better relationships. When we focus on our lack of things and scarcity, we end up attracting those negative conditions. What you focus on, you attract. It's easy to gauge whether you're getting closer and closer to achieving your vision and goals, or if you're repelling those things. If you're feeling self-pity, doubt, fear, worry, stressed out, all junky juice, then you're attracting more negative emotions and consequently repelling your positive goals and vision. After you've started your day with the right attitude, you need to, have to, got to maintain that 10 times enthusiasm throughout the day. We're talking about zip, zest, and zing. One of the best, if not the best way to do that is to focus on what you're grateful for. Every hour, every minute, and throughout the day. Feel that gratitude in your heart. Get off the pity pot and thank God for all the blessings you have. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Do it. Grateful people are happy people, and those that ain't, ain't. Here are 3 action items to help you stay grateful throughout the day. Number 1, write an AGL. That's an active gratitude list. With a pen and paper, or your smartphone, or a notebook, every 50 minutes, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Then get back to work. Setting a timer helps to do this. Number 2, post a weekly handwritten gratitude list where you can easily and frequently look at it. Maybe on the refrigerator, the bathroom mirror, on your desk, in your car, or maybe your screensaver. Take a 10-second pause and read that list slowly. These are reminders. We need reminders. Number 3, we want to put our gratitude into action. Take a box of thank you cards and once a week write a thank you note to a family member, friend, coworker, or whoever. Be honest and sincere. Make sure you send it to them. That means address the envelope, put a stamp on it, and leave it for the mailman or mailwoman. So there you have it. Keep up that attitude of gratitude all day long. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to focus your thoughts on what you're grateful for. Throughout the day, keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Do it. Keep working on the clarity and passion of your vision. Jump on the right tremendous treadmill every morning. Continue to be enthusiastically interested in other people. Listen twice as much as you talk. And be grateful. This is Seth Sherwood, the Gutsy Guatemalan Gringo, signing off. And remember that you can do more, much more.
You can do more and much more. You, yeah, you can do more and much more. You, yeah, you can do more and much more. You